Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix DeepSeek. The server is busy. Please try again later error. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply avoid peak hours. So this is the first thing, is to avoid the peak hours. The second thing that you can do is to simply disable the online search from this section right here. All the information here in DeepSeek AI is from 2023 and earlier. So you can also disable the online method by unchecking this thing right here and type here, for example, which country is the largest. I think it's France or Russia. You will also get results by disabling this section right here if you are enabling it. And you can also wait for a while and try to use it again if you still have the issue. And the last thing that you can do is to simply wait till they fix the issue. You can even talk to their support and you can get the application on your phone by scanning this QR code right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.